Hello everybody, thank you for joining us. Today we'll be drawing a forearm. So if you have your pencils all set, we are going to do a bit of the external anatomy of the inside of the forearm. We've done a forearm, but we have done, in a different video, we have done it from the side. But now we're going to focus on, if we had to put down a forearm, but it was slightly more detailed, but which is still a sketch, how we would go about it. So let's say the hand is here, and the forearm is here, elbow, and that goes into the bicep. Okay, so let us begin to outline the components that we need. So just to give it a little balance, we will put down a hand right there. Of course, we will be more careful in putting down the anatomy, but since the hand is not the star today, we are going to just do that much, and then come right back and put in we are showing it from that angle. So let's say palm up angle. So what we need to be mindful about is the brachialis right there. So let's say that we have to start making the arm like sinewy and reflect that in the forearm. We need to get the brachialis going. So just that much indent will do. And then we have the brachioradialis right following the brachialis and adjoined with it, and it would really come across like this in muscle structure, but we can just put that much down. And of course the flow is like that, so it's not just like a curled up piece of flesh. No, that sounds a little crude, but that is fine. And then we have the flexors. Well, we have the pronator that goes like this first. So starting off right from the elbow, comes right there. So we can put that down. And then we have the flexor right like beside it. Flexor carpi radialis, let's say, right here. And then we have the vein structure that comes up to meet everything. So if we have just these striations down, let's say that we grab a pen to highlight these different muscle components in the forearm from that angle. That's the elbow right there, and there's the biceps head just beginning to go upward. We can get a decent enough forearm going. Of course, so if you just check out like anatomical charts, you will see that when they do the muscle structure, it all shows like that. But we do not necessarily need all that. What we need is to make just an accurate enough forearm for a quick sketch. If we just put in those components, let's say that we have to show a bare forearm that is just muscled enough. Let the fingers stay there. So if we just do those lines there, just that much, and then we can perform some cross hatch. Let's say that we have to do some inking duty, and there's some light source that is coming down, let's say from above. We can do some cross hatch right along. That pen seems to have given upon us, so we're going to grab a different one. So we can just do some crosshatch for all the core lines that should reflect if we are trying to show the subject as fairly muscular. Those will actually do. So if you just focus on the black that we've put down, it should really work. So there we have it. Quick exercise in putting down some forearm muscle structure and how we can intertwine them and make it a little more accurate even in our casual sketches. Please do check out our other sketches on forearm, hand, and other muscle and anatomy. We put out content pretty much every day, so please subscribe, keep in touch. Till the next video, have yourself a wonderful day.